Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is a sorting. So this chapter is continuing from the second chapter itself. This topic. So in previous topics are in the previous video. So the sortings are of two types. The first is the bubble sort, and second is a insertion sort. So in our syllabus, we have a two type of sorts, bubble sort and insertion sort. So very firstly, we'll start with the bubble sort. In the bubble sort, we just compare the two values. Which one is a smaller that comes in the starting and which is a bigger one that comes in the second one. No doubt in the insertion sort, we will also do this thing, but the manner of doing the numerical is little bit different. So firstly, we'll start with the bubble sort. So I'm just taking the numbers for doing bubble sort, that is 13, 24, 5, 19, 2, 17 and 4. So these are the numbers for bubble sort. So how we can start with the bubble sort? Just see this. Firstly, we have to compare the first two numbers. So very first, there is a pass 1. In the past one, we have the different iterations. So very firstly, we will compare these two numbers. So which one is smaller that comes in front? So I just write with this itself. After that, I have compared the second two numbers. So which one is smaller? I will just put it as in front. After that, again, two numbers, 13, 5, 19, 24, 2, 17 and 4. Okay. After that, again, two numbers, 13, 5, 19, 2, 24, 17, 4. After that, again, 2, 13, 5, 19, 2, 17, 24, 4. Now, last two, 13, 5, 19, 2, 17, 4, 24. So this is the answer of the pass 1. After that, we'll start with the pass 2. We have to copy the last output number over the first one so that we can start with the pass 2. So I just copy it, 13, 5, 19, 2, 17, 4, 24. So these are the numbers which I have copied. So how we can do this now? I just rub this firstly. Okay. So I again compare the first two numbers. Then it becomes 5, 13, 19, 2, 17, 4, 24. Again, these two numbers. So 5, 13, 19 remains same because it is already in the ascending order. 2, 17, 4, 24. Again, these two numbers, 5, 13, 2, 19, 17, 4, 24. Then again, these two numbers, 5, 13, 2, 17, 19, 4, 24. Now again, these two numbers, 5, 13, 2, 17, 4, 19, 24. Now these two numbers, 5, 13, 2, 17, 4, 19, 24. So this is the answer of pass 2. Now we'll move to the pass 3. Same procedure is the same, but the thing is we have to put it in the iteration. So this is the answer in the pass 2. So we will put at the upper part to do the pass 3. So I just write the pass 3 here. पास 3 का बच्चे क्या लिखेंगे हम 5, 13, 2, 17, 4, 19 and 24. So these are the numbers. We just, so this remains as it is. 5, 13, 2, 17, 4, 19, 24. So this remains same. Then 13 to 5, 2, 13. So now we have to compare this. This again remains same because it is already in the ascending order. Now we have to swap this because it is in the descending. This remains again same. 5, 2, 13, 4, 17. And last, it again remains same. So answer is 5, 2, 13, 4, 17, 19, 20. So this is the answer of pass 3. Now we'll start with the pass 4. Same, we'll write all these firstly. 5, 2, 13, 4, 17, 19. So this is pass 4. So firstly, we will swap this 2, 5, rest as it is. 13, 4, 17, 19, 24. Then we have to swap this. So it will also remain same. Then we'll swap this 2, 5, 4, 13, 17, 19, 24. Then it will remain same because it is already in the ascending order. It is already in the ascending order, so it just remains same. Then it again remains same because it is also in the ascending order. Now last, so it also remains same because it is in the ascending order. So now just see, this is the answer of pass 4. Now we'll start with the pass 5. So this is the result of pass 4. We have to copy this again to get into the pass 5. Okay, firstly we'll swap this. So answer still remains the same because there is a no swapping. Then we will swap this 2, 4, 5, 13, 17, 19 and 24. So now just see this thing. The answer is in the sorted order. So in this way, in the 5 passes, in the 5 iteration, we get the answer. So this is a method how to solve the values in the bubble sort. So the next one is the insertion sort. So how we can do insertion sort? Just see here. In the insertion sort, suppose these are the values 15, 12, 14, 16, 11, 13. So these are the values. If I want to do insertion sort, so insertion sort, what it tells? In the insertion sort, just check the value where there is a position in these sequence. So you put that value on that place only. Just see here. So 15 and 12. Obviously, 12 comes at this place when we just do the ascending order. So just write arrow here. Write the arrow here only. Don't write here. If you write here, the value will be updated. So write here. So now you just insert the value here. Now this becomes in sorted order. So 14, the right place of 14 is here in between of 12 and 15. So you just insert here. Now the next value 16. 16 is at right place. So you just write the arrow here only. It means no swapping is there. I just put the value here only. Now 11, the right position is here. So I just write 11, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 13. So 13, the right position is here. So this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So in this way, we can sort the sequence of values in the this insertion method. So there are two methods in your chapter number 2, bubble sort and insertion sort. So these are the things which have to be covered in the chapter 2. So this is the end of the chapter 2. In the next video, we'll start with the next chapter. Thank you so much.